In this tutorial, we will be discussing floor division in Python. Here we have two variables, numerator and denominator. The double slash symbol, // between them performs floor division in Python. Floor division returns the largest possible integer that is less than or equal to the quotient of the division. In this case, the result of 10 divided by 3 is 3.33333, but floor division will round it down to 3. As you can see, the output of our code is 3. Let's try another example. In this example, we have different values for numerator and denominator. The floor division of 15 divided by 2 is 7.5, but floor division will round it down to 7. As you can see, the output of our code is 7. Floor division is especially useful when working with mathematical operations that require whole numbers. It ensures that the result will always be an integer. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Happy coding!